Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Every year we promise ourselves that we'll keep to our resolutions. Some of them last, some of them don't. But one of them that we should stick to is healthy eating. It doesn't have to be complicated with funky ingredients. It just has to make sense. Here's a simple, delicious, and quite healthy recipe for you. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Pomegranate Avocado Detox Smoothie. This beverage is packed with goodness and definitely a great way to start your day. The ingredients are easy to find at your supermarket. You don't have to go out of your way to any specialty stores. Healthy, easy to make, and tasty, this smoothie recipe is absolutely a keeper. So my friends, let's get cooking. In the jar of a blender, we'll add banana, half of an avocado. Now, if you're not too sure how to handle this fruit, click on the top right corner of your screen. To this, we'll pour in some pomegranate juice as well as almond milk. We'll also add agave nectar, which, by the way, I have a great kitchen trick when handling sticky ingredients. So to view it, you know what to do. Then finally, we'll add matcha powder with a little ground cinnamon. We'll process until the ingredients are well mixed and the mixture is nice and smooth. We'll pour in a tall glass and enjoy. So my friends, this is our Pomegranate Avocado Detox Smoothie. Incredibly delicious and healthy, this is a great beverage to have in your recipe folder. It not only nourishes your body, but detoxifies as well. Start off your new year in the right direction with this tasty smoothie. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit thefoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!